Hello, so here's this interesting floor plan or series of modules. And look at all of those bedrooms. Wow. You have 6 here, 6 here, 3 here, and then 3 pods over here. So that's 18 total for this section. With then there's 3 bathrooms here in this 3-bedroom unit. This is a luxury module, 1,300 square feet. And then you have your additional baths for a total of 6 baths. 18 bed, 6 bath. And then you double it up, so you have 36 bedrooms in a multi-hex. And look at the amount of empty space you have here. It's just tremendous. This is why it's called Choose Your Own Adventure. This is supposed to be built out yourself. Look at that. I just love how compressed this section is. The only issue is, once again, these bedrooms are tiny, so you don't have a lot of private storage. In fact, you have almost no private storage, besides clothes and a PC. So there's like a room for a PC here, some clothing, some knickknacks, and that's pretty much it. And then also another issue would be potentially lovemaking. You'll hear, your neighbors will hear you potentially. But anyway, look at this unbelievable amount of volume. Really incredible amount of volume. Depending on your tribe, you could allow lovemaking in semi-private areas. Just like put something on the doorknob. Do not disturb on the doorknob. That's up to your tribe, though. That's going to be a tribal decision. Anyway, so you have this beautiful Choose Your Own Adventure, and then you have a single hexagon with like the same methodology. And we go here, and this is built out. So you have a semi-private room here. Look at the size of this room. This room is massive. And then there's another big room here, and another big room here. There's just a lot of rooms. So if we bring down the roof to make it clearer, you have 3 floors. Let's bring down this. Look at all of that. This compressed. These 18 bedrooms are so compressed that it allows for just so much room. And then you have a nice sized pantry right here. You could throw something on top. 18 bedrooms. I don't know if you would want a walk-in fridge. You would probably want, for 18 bedrooms, you would want at least like 6 refrigerators. So I don't know if it would be worth having a walk-in. But anyway, you still have a lot of room in your eating area, on top of having this massive amount of shared space. I think 18 bedrooms for a hexagon is a really nice figure. I think it's a really nice middle ground. A lot of my hexagons have 20 to 24 bedrooms. That might be a little too high. You could even get rid of these 3 pods and make it 15. And this is also a very nice addition. We'll show this. We have our 2nd floor, we have our 3rd floor, we have our 4th floor, we have our plants. Look at this. Gorgeous. My frame rate is a little bit struggling right now. Look at how gorgeous that is. This would be a lot of power, so you're paying electricity taxes for all these lights, and then you also get added heat and humidity. So It is possible to have fake plants though, and then you can reduce the lights. These trees especially, you need to penetrate all of these leaves. Ideally from like more than one direction too, so it's just going to be a struggle to keep the trees alive. Look at this, look at this. Look at how beautiful that is. This is why my frame rate is not doing well. So I think these walls will be very popular in reality. I think they're going to be a very big deal. And let's say, I don't know how many watts you would need. You would probably need at least like 40 watt LEDs in each one of these. Times 4, the entire wall is 160 watts. I think that would be sufficient for real plant life. And so then you have 6 walls. 100, what was it, 160? 160 times 6 is like 1,000. So you have 1,000, 1 kilowatt for all of those, which really isn't that bad. I think you would probably need 1 kilowatt for each tree. So then each tree is a kilowatt. You have 4 kilowatts now. And then let's say another kilowatt for these. So you have 5 kilowatts of lights in this room, which I don't have the electricity tax charts with me now, but if you have those running, let's say 12 hours a day, that's 5 times 12, that's 60 kilowatt hours a day, times 30, that's what, 1,800 kilowatt hours per month? That's actually not that bad. I'll have to put it in the math. I'll put it in the description. I'll run it in the algorithm. But 1,800 kilowatt hours a month actually might be doable. I'd hate to. I have to vent all of the heat generated from those lights. So on a macro scale, it's actually not that helpful. You're actually, let's see, with 18 bedrooms, I think I'm estimating 400 watts per person. So that's like, what is that? 9 kilowatts for everyone? That's a lot. It seems like way too high, doesn't it? Huh. Well, that's body heat. The body heat alone is going to be like 2 kilowatts. Maybe I could actually lower those estimates. Anyway, I'm talking to myself about heating and cooling requirements. Well, actually, heating requirements are not needed because the efficiency is so high of the thermal efficiency, but there are cooling requirements because the efficiency is so high. So, pretty gorgeous though. Could be potentially your bedroom. Potentially this is not your bedroom. This is your living room. There is a waterfall here, but it kills my frame rate. I was attempting to make a waterfall, and then this could be like a koi pond right here. So as long as it's less than like, actually with these steel plates, these are steel plates, you could put a whole pool right here if you really wanted. It has huge weight requirements. The weight requirements are actually monstrous for this ceiling. So you could have like a mini swimming pool in this corner here. I would say 6 feet deep is doable, 5 or 6. Anyway, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, a single dream is more powerful than 1,000 realities.